It's snowing. Everybody went home from work except for the postman and me. I work from home, so I never get a day off. My wife does too. But I'm gonna get out and I'll shoot some other videos here in a little bit. This hill right here is pretty treacherous. So last time I was doing this, last year I was burying ammo cans to see if we could find them, to see if the ammo cans would keep everything inside dry. A year later, they worked. But anyway, here we are, and that's our hill. And just to give you an idea of what the snow's like, that has been hit by a plow twice so far since this morning. That's how fast the snow is coming down. We've been hit from by back-to-back winter events for a while. This is another one. Hey, how's that global warming working out for us? What do you think, guys? Anyway, so yeah, that's the story. And the postman is someplace. Where is that? There's somebody shoveling a walk down there. I normally take my cars and I put tarps over them and weather like this. This way we're not having to spend hours out here trying to scrape and get everything off. Keeps things easy. I got a 2.5 car garage, but it's never seen a car for God knows how many years. That's always sold something that you guys are buying. Anyway, we'll shoot more later. The Snowmageddon has began. Bye.